ChatGPT 4 has landed, guys, and it is incredible and amazing and mind-blowing. So if you're looking for a side hustle, it's got your back, and I've got your back with some free training on how to use it. I'll give you an example in a second. But anyway, click on the link in the description below and get access to my training while it's still in beta, and take it and run with it and make yourself some money, guys. So let me explain what I mean a little bit more and why ChatGPT 4 is so incredible. So I asked it to develop a list of potential side hustles. It developed a list as most of the AI tools would do. And you're left with that list, and then you need to go ahead and, kind of like muddle your way through. So with ChatGPT 4, all of that changes now, guys. We can take it as an in-house expert, and we can take each of the ideas it develops or it suggests, and then we can drill down and drill down, get a step-by-step action plan to the finest detail, which tells us exactly what we need to do. And then we can also ask it to develop a full promotional plan, which we just need to put in place. And essentially, ChatGPT will do everything for us apart from collect the money. And I think we can do that, guys. Let me give an example. So this list here, I asked it to develop some things, and I like the idea of LinkedIn profile makeover. I've done this in the past. It's a very lucrative little sideline, and it's very quick to do. So then I asked it, well, I need some more details about this. So it gave me a step-by-step approach. And then for each of these, I would then zoom in and ask it to give me a step-by-step, like operation manual of how to go about doing this, guys. And this is what it did. So I think I said, okay, let me see, give me some more information about how I exactly analyze a client's current profile. And this is what it came up with, guys. So, step by step, if you want to drill down, you can drill down some more, guys. So if this kind of level of hands-off suits you as it does me, click on the link in the description below, grab a hold of my training, and use ChatGPT 4 to fuel and drive your online and offline side hustle. It doesn't get any easier than this, guys. Anyway, any questions, give me a shout, and grab this training before it goes out of beta. It will be going out of beta soon, guys, and it will be paid. Okay, take care, have fun, and make some money with this, guys. Bye bye.